Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create Metatrader 5 account on forex.com. So let's just get started. So first of all, you need to be in this particular platform, which is forex.com website. So to go over here, how you can do it, just go to your web browser and just search forex or forex.com and press enter. Then you'll be having this platform. So onto this first link, just go over here. And then it will redirect you to that particular platform, which is forex.com website. So to open an account, or let's say create an account, just go to up over here and do the account drop down menu. So over here, account type, just choose MetaTrader account, and then you'll be in this platform. So over here you have options to go with MetaTrader 5 account. So just choose over MetaTrader 5 or MT5 account and just choose this open an MT5 account. And over here you need to show some details about you. So just remember guys, you have only 5 minutes to apply it. So you choose your country or reason, email address, username, your password. So over here your password must contain these items: 8 to 15 characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, and all. And the title, if you are Miss, Mrs, or Mr, or like that, and then your first name and their last name, then date of birth, and then primary phone number. I have already been over here, so I have already created, so I'm not creating one. Then after choosing save and continue, then you'll be in this particular section, which is number 2. Let's say about you. Over here you have to tell about your home address, your postal code, zip codes, and all. Then to the third one, you'll be having trading experience, where you will be asked about how is your trading experience, what works have you done, and all. Then at the last, your account will go for verification, and within 5 minutes or 10 minutes your account will get verified. So that's pretty much simple guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Also comment if you have any queries. So I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.